So, just so you know, kids, don't try this at home. And this gun is unloaded, as you can see. And the chamber is unloaded. So, first things first, gun safety. Make sure to have your hand off that trigger and your gun on safe before you do anything. And keep your fingers and hand and whatever off the trigger. And so second, I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble a 300 Blackout that we recently turned it into a 350 Legend. So let's go. First, what you're going to want to do is see this pin right here? On the other side, there's going to be another part of it, and you're going to push that in, and it should pop that out. Just enough for you to get it out with your hands. And so, after you do that, it should pop up. And so what else you are gonna wanna do is there's a little piece, there's another piece right there, and there's the same thing. You're gonna pop that out, and it should separate into two pieces. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a bit though. There we go. We're gonna leave that piece over there, and this is the piece we're gonna need. Okay, so now this is how you disassemble it. So you're gonna wanna pull the piece, and it should come out just like that. And so you should be able to clean it. And so now let's reassemble it. So obviously we're gonna want to get the pieces in. First, you're gonna want to get that piece in just a little. Just enough where you feel whole. And then you're gonna push it in a little bit more, not all the way, and you're gonna want to put this piece in and make sure it's out all the way. And you're gonna put it in a little slot right there. Should slide it in there like that. That piece is in. So you got that part, and we're gonna have to reassemble it. So what you're gonna wanna do is put the barrel piece back together. I wanna slide it in that little area right there, and push the pin back in. And so sometimes you gotta stand it up. And so it should pop in easily. There we go, like that. Should be able to do that. And then you're gonna do the back. You're gonna push that pin in, but also pull down on your barrel a bit. Push in all the way. It should look like that. And then you want to put your magazine back in. I'm using a 10-round mag. So there you go. Bye.